Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you a dry pouring exercise from jug to 2 unequal containers using bins from the practical life area. This exercise develops the child's eye-hand coordination skills, fine motor skills, and also independence. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to do a dry pouring exercise from jug to 2 unequal containers. Watch me and you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!